Welcome back, everybody, to another fun gear review. Today we're going to be taking a look at the 1 quart Pathfinder Bushpot. Now, I did a purchase from David Canterbury's store, Self-Reliance Outfitters, recently. They were having some pretty nice sales, so I grabbed a few things that interested me. So you're going to be seeing a little bit more of Mr. Canterbury's goods here on my channel. Reason I was looking at this one is because I have the 64-ounce Bushpot. I'll put a link to that description or that video at the end of this video. And the 64-ounce is really nice. It's a little big, but I was looking for something that's bigger than a camp cup, but not as big as the 64-ounce. So I seen this 1 quart and I said, that might fit the bill. Now, we're going to take a look here at the box. We're going to get it out and check it out. So, I hope everybody's weekend is going well. Mine has been very busy. And whoops, let me get that around here. UPC, made in China. Yada, yada, yada. Okay, let's get it out here and let's take a look at it. Alright. Alright, we have a bail that locks upright, just like the 64-ounce. D-ring for the lid. The lid is nice and tight. We got these bat wing handles. So it's basically like the 64-inch, just smaller. Okay, we also have a nice integrated pour spout there, which I really like. Alright. Yeah. Everything looks really well constructed, really well done. Alright. Let me give you some specs from his website on this. Regular price on this item is $21.99. It's 304 grade stainless steel. It's 4 3/4 inches tall by 4 1/4 inches wide. That calculates into about 12 centimeters tall and 10.79 centimeters wide. It is a 1 quart or 0.94 liters, so it's just shy of being a full liter if you filled it all the way to the rim. Weight, 12.1 ounces or 28.3 grams. We will be checking that. I like this. Now, to give you an idea, if you're not good with measurements, how big this is, I have my Lixada camp cup here, which is titanium. Let me back out here. And you can see it's a lot smaller than this. In fact, I bet, let me collapse the handles and everything. So if I take this bail here off, I can fit my 750 milliliter Lixada titanium cup inside there. So that's pretty nice. That is pretty nice for a little Bushpot. Alright, let's check the weight. We're going to do kilograms first. And it's measuring in at 321 grams. List weight is 28.3, so it's a little bit over the list weight. Go to ounces, 11 3/8 ounces. So it's under the ounce weight. I wonder if I wrote that down wrong. I probably did. I apologize. But either way, we got a weight. So this, I think, is going to be ideal for my needs. It's big without being overly large. You can see my hands here. You know, it is like a large coffee cup, which is what I was looking for. You know, pairing it to the 64-ounce. Here's the 64-ounce. And as you can see, the 64-ounce is pretty big. I've used this. I like this for winter because you can melt a lot of snow and process a lot of snow into drinking water. But I wanted something a little bit smaller. and I think this will do just fine. And it saves on pack space a little bit. As with anything from Dave Canterbury's store, the quality is excellent. You can see it's got several tack welds all along there, so that handle's probably never going to come free. Same thing with the bail. I can see at least 3 on each side. You know, good quality. I mean, this thing's pretty tough. I mean, I suppose if you drop it down a mountainside, you're going to dent it all up and stuff, but regular use, you'd be pretty hard-pressed to dent this, because, take the lid off, I can deform it a little bit. I think that's because of this pour spout that is formed in here. Let me try to go this way. I have to squeeze that pretty hard to get that to deform. So, I'm pretty happy with that. I'm happy with how tight the lid is. You don't need any kind of drain holes, because with this spout here, that could be your drain hole. So you could do like noodles or spaghetti, anything like that in here. Pretty cool. Well, this is a pretty short review. I don't think I need to throw it on here and boil any water. I think that's kind of pointless. But I'm happy with this. Like I said, I got it on sale. Regular price is $21.99. Link in the description. I urge you, if there's a lot of stuff you want to get from Dave's website, wait for the sales. That's the best time to cash in and then buy as much stuff as you're interested in at that time. Alright? Well, thank you for watching, and I will catch you later on out in those woods over there. Maybe using one of Dave Canterbury's pots over an open fire. Thank you for watching.